Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install gadgets on Windows 11. So open any browser, then search here at gadgetpack.net. Press enter. Now here guys you can use gadgets in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. Here you will see a list of gadgets like 7 sidebar, calendar, clock, date, time, CPU meter. So any gadgets you need, just select it and download and install. So this is a popular website guys. It has the list of gadgets. You can download and install it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.